Have you ever wondered how your phone suggests perfect replies, or how apps like Google Translate know so many languages? It's all because of something called large language models, or LLMs. LLMs are super smart AI systems that understand and write human language. They help in many ways. For example, they can write emails for you in seconds, help doctors by explaining medical terms quickly, even make creative stories or design your next project. Think about it. Every time you talk to Alexa or ChatGPT, you are using LLMs. They save time, give ideas, and even help in learning new skills. Okay, so how LLM work can change your life. Number one, you can make your own smart apps. Number two, find better jobs because companies need AI experts. Number three, and you will understand technology that's shaping our future. Let's imagine being part of the future. The world is moving fast. Don't get left behind. Start learning about LLMs today and you will be ready for tomorrow's opportunities. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe the